Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this lesson, we will learn earned value management, and we will solve 5 clear examples together. We will focus on the 3 core numbers: planned value, earned value, and actual cost. Then we will compute cost variance, schedule variance, cost performance index, and schedule performance index. First, the key ideas. Planned value is what we expected to complete by now. Earned value is the value of work actually completed. Actual cost is the amount actually spent. From these we compute cost variance equals earned value minus actual cost. Schedule variance equals earned value minus planned value. Cost performance index equals earned value divided by actual cost. Schedule performance index equals earned value divided by planned value. Example 1, the doghouse. The total budget is $400 for all 4 days. After 2 days, half the doghouse is done, and the actual cost is $250. Let us place our 3 bars for planned value, earned value, and actual cost. Now, compute step by step. Cost variance equals earned value minus actual cost, which is 200 minus 250 equals negative $50. Schedule variance equals earned value minus planned value, which is 200 minus 200 equals 0. Cost performance index equals 200 divided by 250 equals 0.8. Schedule performance index equals 200 divided by 200 equals 1.0. Conclusion: we are exactly on schedule, but $50 over budget, and our spending efficiency is 0.8. Example 2, planting trees. 10 trees total at $100 each, so the total budget is $1,000. By today, 5 trees were planned. In reality, 6 trees are done at a cost of $540. We draw the bars. Now the results. Cost variance equals 600 minus 540 equals positive $60. Under budget. Schedule variance equals 600 minus 500 equals positive $100. Ahead of schedule. Schedule performance index equals 600 divided by 500 equals 1.2. That is 20% faster than planned. Example 3, software coding. The budget is 100 lines at $1 each, so $100 total. Today, 80 lines were planned, but 70 are complete, and actual cost is $90. Let us see the bars. Now compute indices. Cost performance index equals 70 divided by 90, approximately 0.78. Schedule performance index equals 70 divided by 80, equals 0.875. Both less than 1 means over budget and behind schedule. Example 4, painting a fence. There are 4 sides at $1,000 each, so the total is $4,000. We planned 3 sides by today, but 2 are complete, and actual cost is $2,200. Bars first. Cost variance equals 2,000 minus 2,200 equals negative $200. Schedule variance equals 2,000 minus 3,000 equals negative $1,000. Conclusion: over budget and behind schedule. Example 5, forecasting with estimate at completion. The budget at completion is $10,000. Current earned value is $2,000, and actual cost is $2,500. First, compute cost performance index, which is earned value divided by actual cost. 2,000 over 2,500 equals 0.8. If we assume this efficiency continues, estimate at completion equals budget at completion divided by cost performance index. That is 10,000 divided by 0.8 equals $12,500. So, if the present trend continues, we will likely finish at $12,500 instead of the planned $10,000. To summarize, earned value management turns progress and cost into clear, comparable numbers. When cost variance and schedule variance are positive, you are in good shape. When cost performance index and schedule performance index are greater than 1, you are outperforming the plan. Thank you for learning with Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Keep practicing these steps on your projects.